Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can remove an echo from your recordings in Bandlab, so let's get right into it. For example, as you can see, I have a blank project with just a blank voice and audio track, and I'll be using this to explain everything to you guys. Let me just record some audio just so there is something. You guys won't be able to hear it since I have a deactivated desktop audio in my recording software, but let's say around 8 seconds is enough audio. Let me just go into the editor and increase the gain just so that I can hear it more clearly. But pretty much what you need to do, and this won't have echo of course, but there is a effect which you can add to decrease the echo, and that is the noise gate. And if I go into noise gate, I can then increase the threshold for the actual noise. This will pretty much just add a minimum sort of decibel value, which will be recorded. If I set it to example minus 18 decibels, anything that is lower than 18 decibels won't be recorded or will be removed from this audio. Now, this is a bit tricky since if you have some of your voice which is lower than that value, you do have a problem because it'll delete that as well, and it might sound a bit clunky. You can also just modify the release all the way down, since that is pretty much the best option for removing echo. But since the echo is of course quieter than your voice, you just need to find the decibel value of your voice at the lowest point and then just modify the threshold as you could. Now, as you can see, 18 decibels is sort of the max or the minimum. However, if I try to add minus 14, it'll just change it to minus 18. I cannot go above minus 18, but that is one tool which you can use to create an echo. Now, if you have an echo effect, what you need to do to remove that effect is just click the X right in the top right of the effect, and it'll be deleted. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.